Hi everyone, Pete from Drawing Boy here. So in this video we're going to be making this Easter Bunny Wreath. So you're going to need the paper, card, your little bit of wool from your pack, and you also need some scissors, glue and some pens. The first thing you need to do is just colour in your bunny and then cut it out. Next, we're going to do the little eggs. So you need to get your paper, and then we're going to fold one piece over at a time in half, and then in half again. And then you can just draw an egg shape, or you can just cut it straight out. And then we're going to cut all the layers at the same time. So now you can take it apart in your 4 shapes. Like so. So you just need to do the same with the other pieces. So once you've got them all cut out, you're going to spread them around in a ring shape. So separate them all, and then you can just decide where you want them. So once you have your circle shape, all you need to do now is you need to attach them all together. So you can use tape if you want to, but I'm just going to use just a bit of glue. So just lift it up there, pop a little bit of glue down. Do the next one as well. Pop that there. And just keep going all the way around. And you want to leave it so you've got a big hole in the middle, because that's where your rabbit face is going to go. So just keep going. So what you want to do now is get your wool and your little rabbit. You're going to pop the wool on the back. You can glue it down or tape it, it's up to you. and then you want to just pop that on there. Tape it onto the wreath, and then presto, you're all done.